Hey guys, welcome back to the Ladies Nuggets Forever, and today I have the 2019. Okay, I have the 2019 Florp, and I'm gonna see how it's going. And I have some backups, cause just in case it's so rock hard, I have some lotion to soften it up. All right. All right. And Olivia, no! Olivia, stop! Don't touch that. You already had the chance to do it, and you chose not to do it when I told you. Alright.
I wanted to do it.
Well, when you asked, you should have done it. Anyway, we went to the store, and this is my sister's, which we are getting.
What?
So, like, rock hard. So, luckily we have some lotion. Oh, it's green. What the heck? Let's smell it. Ooh, it's like really good. Oh, I did not see that come out. Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna ruin it.
We're not gonna ruin it. Trust me. This actually is just going.
Lila, when you're done doing it, I wanna play with this slime.
Fine, but you have to let me do this first. Okay?
Okay.
And if you want to continue playing with it, you have to be nice to me forever. Alright? Alright, guys. You can tell it's like this, but trust me. Oops. Alright, I'm going to need a towel so that I can dry it up a little bit because I put too much lotion in it. So, if I have a towel to dry my hands off, then it'll soften it up. Go get me a towel.
Or you can use my hat.
Just get a towel. Alright guys, you can tell it's kind of a little bit more stretchier. But like, you will never ever know. But you never ever know. But you will never ever know. But you will never ever know. But you will never ever know. And the slime is just so terrible now. Thinking myself just ruining them all. Which I am not because it's not mine. Plus, I do want it to get better because it's pink, and pink is beautiful, but not my favorite color. But it's not my favorite color in the world. Let's see how many. See how many paces it's in, so that I can well, so that it can help, so that it can help. Olivia? Did you get a towel? Just get a hand towel, not an actual towel. What is wrong with this? I mean, it seems... Then give me toilet paper!
You're not coming in here with that stupid thing. It's not stupid thing. Yes, it is. No, it's not.